So what's up guys, so we decided to change the oil of Honda Accord 2005. So I got an oil filter right here. It's pure zone and a 5W20, a synthetic engine oil. This is the cheapest I can get, and I only spent $31.74. Just right here, so you can see right here. Yes, so if you decided to go to shop, it would cost you like double, like $60 and up. But right now we're gonna teach you how to do it cheapest way possible. And let's get started. So the tools what we're gonna need is an oil catch pen, or you can use any thing you have in there. Make sure it's deep enough to catch all the oil from your car. And I got a paper towel. I got a torque wrench, and make sure you got a 17 mil ratchet. I got a torque wrench, so I got more leverage. And oil filter tools removal kit. I got this one, and I got this adjustable one. If the other one doesn't work, go to the other one. So make sure you have the gloves and towels. I forgot to mention that you also need a funnel, so you can catch all the oil you pour inside the engine. So right now we're just gonna loose this nut, this bolt right here. So from my side we gotta go left. All right, so remember, left to loosey, righty tighty. All right. So after all the oil's drained out, so I'm gonna put back the bolt in. Now remember, that's left to loosey, now righty tighty. Yeah, that's good. So the oil filter go counterclockwise. So you can see from here. You have to do counterclockwise. Right there. And now you can do it by hand. So you can see right there. Now, get ready for the catch pan. And before we can install the oil filter, make sure to lubricate all the rubber seal around the oil filter before we install it. Make sure you got it lubricated as it needs. And now it's ready to go. Before we go ahead and install the oil filter, just have to make sure we clean all the oil spill that we did around the oil filter as well, right there, and the oil pan. And if it's all done, we have to go ahead and install the oil filter. It's right here. So now it's clockwise. All right. So you're just gonna do it just a hand tight. Hand tight it. And it should be good. after everything we've done underneath the car, so now we come to the easiest part, like easy works. Shout out to my brother-in-law in the Philippines. Make sure to like and subscribe to all of his videos. It's very good. Like they said, if they can't fix it, wag makulit. So make sure to follow him. Okay, so we're gonna pour this oil. Quick tip for a beginner for changing the oil: make sure to follow your manufacturer's manual to get what's the best for your car. If you are confused about which type of engine oil you're gonna use, check the oil cap. Check the oil cap of your engine oil and it will tell you which oil you need. Quick tip. Yeah, right there, as you can see, the oil is in the second dot, right? So let the car run for a few minutes and then check the oil measurement again, and if you need more, just top it up a little and it should be good. So after you measure it and you're right on that and check everything is all good, that means you're done. And that's how you change the oil of Honda Accord. And make sure after all you're done, check all the underneath of the car, make sure there's no leaks, and I'll show you if it doesn't have a leak in the ship. So make sure you don't have any leaks underneath the car. And you're done. So see you next time.